Welcome to our complete guide on withdrawing money from LSSC to Robinhood. In this video, we'll explore both platforms and how they work together for crypto cashouts. Let's start with creating and verifying your accounts. We'll walk through each necessary step to get you started on both platforms. Next, we'll dive deep into how the withdrawal function works within LSSC, ensuring you're comfortable with the process. Now, let's link your Robinhood account. This crucial step allows you to easily transfer your funds from LSSC. Let's initiate the withdrawal. I'll guide you through selecting your amount and understanding any fees involved. After submitting your withdrawal request, here's what to expect. I'll share how to track your transaction status. Once the funds are transferred, I'll show you how to confirm they've arrived safely in your Robinhood account. What if things don't go as planned? Here are some common issues and solutions you'll need to know during the withdrawal process. To wrap things up, here are my top tips for ensuring a smooth transaction between LSSC and Robinhood. In conclusion, let's recap what we've learned today and consider what's next for crypto cashouts in 2025.